strong woman. And to be honest, isip ka ba kayo mahimong babae? Uy! Not to look like all men and other people in the spectrum, but di natin mahimong babae. And also, speaking of woman, another reason, so the reason why I chose the song is, ganang ko ganang kantang marag, I'm in my divine feminine energy, blah, blah, blah. But also just minor detail, just a little something something. So sa akong rap, Bisaya siya. And actually, yes, what's up with Bisaya? Okay, so like sa Manila, marag, okay, Bisaya, Bisaya, wow. Singing, shaking. But yes, so sa akong Bisaya rap, nakabutang dito, Mariah Queen, Mother Mary Rise to the Top. The original is Mother Earth, Mother Mary Rise to the Top, but I changed it to Mariah Queen, which is me. And from Mother Mary, actually sakto siya. Hi! My mom's nickname is Mary. Kasi I think it's very fitting. Because, you know, wala, chikudiri mo, wala, mama. Always honor your, and because of this, I'd like to acknowledge and honor my mama. Hello, ma. Mother